สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hello everyone. So welcome back to another Thai lesson with Ling app. In today's topic, it will be about how to say the word how in Thai. So you might wondering why you have to learn how to say the word how. It's just one word, right? But actually we can translate in many ways in Thai. So let's get started on the quick answer on how to say how in Thai or how can you speak how can you mention this word? So the word how in Thai is Yang-ngai, Yang-ngai. And if you want to use the word how in the questions in Thai, the structure is simply you just add the verb before the word Yang-ngai. For example, ทำยังไง How do you do it? ทำยังไง Next พูดยังไง พูดยังไง How do you say it? Or ไปยังไง ไปยังไง How do you go somewhere? And the next way on how to say how is it? How are they? So the um so how are they need to use verb to be, and the Thai verb to be is เป็นเป็น in this case we use the word เป็น actually verb to be in Thai can translate to like เป็นอยู่คือ but in this case we will use only the word เป็น just like the example that I gave you we will add the verb um, เป็น before the word ยังไง for example เป็นยังไง how is it how are they. And if you want to ask how is something, then you just need to add the noun at the beginning of the questions. So the structure will be noun plus เป็นยังไง. For example, if you want to ask about the flavor, and the word flavor in Thai is รสชาติ รสชาติ and if you want to ask how is the flavor, you can say รสชาติเป็นยังไง รสชาติเป็นยังไง or if you want to ask your friends about their day off, you can say วันหยุด วันหยุด in this case mean day off วันหยุด is day off. If you want to ask them how was your day off, you can say วันหยุดเป็นยังไง วันหยุดเป็นยังไง and normally Thai people will add the word บ้าง at the end of the questions, so it's not impact any translation in English, but we will add this word บ้าง to make the question more like polite. For example, if you want to ask how are you or how is it going, you can say เป็นยังไงบ้าง เป็นยังไงบ้าง or you can also use it with the word with the sentence how was your day off, you can say วันหยุดเป็นยังไงบ้าง and if you want to write the word how or say it in the formal way, beside ยังไง you will use the word อย่างไร อย่างไร as a formal version of how and the written version. For example, if you want to ask someone how many years they stay in Thailand, you can say อยู่เมืองไทยกี่ปีแล้ว อยู่เมืองไทยกี่ปีแล้ว and another way to ask how much in Thai, in this case the answer is not a numerical value. For example, if you want to ask someone how much do you love me, you can ask รักฉันแค่ไหน รักฉันแค่ไหน so as you can see we will use the word แค่ไหน to translate how much. So that should be all on how to say the word how in Thai. It's not just the word how, but as you can see that we have many ways to translate this word. Don't forget to practice how to say how in Thai, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel to learn more useful Thai lessons. So stay tuned for more lesson. Thank you guys. See you.